both the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy, that have been helping with ferrying and moving supplies from one destination to the other. Indian Air Force airlifted 1.7 tons of COVID-19 relief materials, including oxygen concentrators from Sulur AFS, Coimbatore to Agatti, Lakshadweep, and all of this that happened today. Those pictures on your screens of how the forces have been helping in this tough time. And here is the Indian Air Force also now airlifting 1.7 tons of COVID-19 relief material that also includes oxygen concentrators. Several destinations that were covered today itself, that include Coimbatore to Agatti, Lakshadweep, Sulur AFS, and many more. Both the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force that have been helping with the same, while the Indian Army that has helped with setting up of hospital beds and hospitals in several parts of the country. Even the ITBP that have been going all out, but here are details of the COVID efforts that have been put in by the Indian Air Force today itself, as COVID relief material was airlifted close to 1.7 tons in weight, and these also include oxygen concentrators. Those pictures that you see on your screens of the Indian Air Force helping with the ferrying of supplies. Shivani is joining us live on the broadcast. Shivani, give us details of the same.
Swesha, we have been witnessing that in last 10 days, the Indian Air Force has been ferrying oxygen tankers, medical supplies, not only from one place to other within the country, but they have been doing so from many countries to India. And this particular flight that we are seeing the pictures of has it shows that how 1.7 tons of medical supplies, including the oxygen concentrators, have been transported from the Air Force Station Sulur in Coimbatore to Lakshadweep. And we know that the Indian Navy had also supplied oxygen to Lakshadweep a few days back. And let's also tell our viewers that in the last 10 days, over 400 sorties have been done by the Indian Air Force's aircrafts within the country in transporting oxygen cylinders, the cryogenic oxygen tanks, ventilators, concentrators, other paramedical supplies, and more than 65 such international sorties have been done by the Indian Air Force during the emergency India is facing. And these forces are relentlessly contributing to India's fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. And these pictures show us how the 1.7 tons of medical supplies have been transported to Coimbatore. And we know that the patients are in need of these supplies, and the time is the biggest thing, and these transportations through the Indian Air Force's craft are cutting short the travel time. They are reaching the respective medical hospitals in time. So they are playing a very crucial role in this pandemic by ferrying and transporting these medical supplies. Back to you, Suesha.
Oh yes, Shivani, that is of course needless to say of how the forces have been going all out to help, and the role that every force is playing, be it the Indian Air Force, the Indian Navy, the Indian Army, and even how the ITBP has been helping. But what are the plans in the next few days to come? Because it is 1.7 tons of relief material that has been airlifted today itself. What are we expecting today, I beg your pardon, tomorrow and day after?
Swesha, this whole operation is a continuous operation until things get better in India. We know that 15 days back, the situation was not similar. India was not prepared because the numbers of the pandemic hit states have actually surged spirally, and the need of oxygen, the need of medical supplies has spiraled up suddenly. So India has made all the efforts, and in this fight, in this whole strategy, the forces are playing a very important role, especially the Indian Air Force. And this operation that started, we know that in the first surge also the forces have been contributing. This time also a special aggressive mission was launched by the Indian Air Force, by the Navy, Army, in contributing in any way they can. And now this mission will continue until India wins the battle against the COVID-19 pandemic. And these transportation ferries will continue from abroad as well as within the country, wherever the supplies will be needed. Suvaisha, we know that global help is reaching India each day. And from different countries, medical aid is coming to India. And these Indian Air Force's crafts are transporting these medical supplies in no time. They are continuously flying for 12.5 hours. And because we know that yesterday, the Globe Master from the Indian Air Force, it was flying for 12.5 hours.
We say again and again on Republic, we salute our forces. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates. For the moment, Shivani, thank you for joining us.